Why is my TikTok saying allow camera access? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Click on apps and notifications in here. Then click on TikTok. After you've clicked on TikTok, you will find this kind of screen. Click on permissions in here. After you click on permissions, click on camera and make sure the dot is in allow only while using the app. After you do that, you can simply open your TikTok and open the camera. The option will not show up. And this is why TikTok keeps saying allow camera access. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.